And Asante says their ICU was at capacity earlier today. As Asante spokesperson said, they're seeing patients as young as 19 years old with COVID-19, increasing cases impacting hospital functions.
The volume of patients that we have right now, and not just COVID positive patients, but other patients in our hospitals who are ill and need hospital care. The impact on having so many patients at one time means we end up having to maybe delay or reschedule elective surgeries because the beds that those overnight patients for surgery would take are occupied right now. So we don't have the capacity to take more patients, and thus that impacts people coming to the hospital who need other types of care.
The number of hospitalized patients with COVID-19 across the state is 285, which is 11 more than yesterday. There are 84 COVID-19 patients in ICU beds, which is 2 fewer than the day before. The total number of patients in hospital beds may fluctuate between report times. The numbers do not reflect admission per day nor the length of hospital stay. Staffing limitations are not captured in this data and may further limit bed capacity.
Leaders at Oregon Health Sciences University are surge planning for a patient overload with the rising case numbers. Oregon health officials estimate the highly contagious Delta variant is behind 80% of the state's new cases. RN Crystal Pelgorsh says that getting vaccinated wasn't an option a year ago, but now that it is, it makes all the more agonizing for healthcare providers.
We are full, and it's scary because the sicker people get, I'm worried, where are we going to put these people? And we can solve that by getting vaccinated.
While vaccinated people rarely get COVID, the CDC says new data shows if they do get infected with the Delta variant, they could be carrying high levels of the virus, increasing the risk of infecting others. This is why the Oregon Health Authority now recommends everyone wear a mask indoors while out in public, whether you're vaccinated or not.
Officials say more than half of all patients hospitalized as of Tuesday at St. Anthony Hospital in Pendleton, Oregon, tested positive for COVID-19. The county's case rate during the past 2 weeks was more than 7 times higher than Oregon's highly populated Multnomah and Washington counties. Umatilla County has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the state, with fewer than 40% of residents fully vaccinated. That's all according to the CDC.